Welcome to the Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we talk about the basic concept as well as the advanced concept. So this tutorial is suitable for beginners and also for professionals. What is Microsoft Excel? So let's start with this definition of the application. Microsoft Excel is an application which is used for personal and office usages, and it is part of a package called Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a package designed and developed by Microsoft company, which include the MS Word, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook, OneNote, and other applications. Excel is used for calculations. Excel is a spreadsheet program which used to store and represent data in tabular format. So it contains of columns and rows. The Excel files is called workbooks. So we will talk about workbooks later more in next videos. Here is an overview of the Excel program. This whole file is a Excel file which is called workbook, and it contains many sheets. We can have sheets here. I will show you later in this video. So here we call this line row, and this is a cell, and each of these numbered columns in Excel, a sheet contains of rows and columns. We have the vertical scroll bar, we have the horizontal scroll bar. These buttons are zoom control buttons, and here we have the worksheet view options. We have the quick access toolbar here, and we have the ribbons here. The name of the cells is showing here. It's called the name box, and here we will have the formula box. So whenever we use a formula, we will talk about the formulas also in other videos, and here we call it the formula box. Now let's open the Microsoft Excel. From start button, we click start button, and from here we can scroll and find the Excel program from here, or we can search from here and write Excel, and as you can see, if you have installed the Microsoft Office, it will show up here. So there is another way to open the Microsoft Excel. We open the run by pressing the Windows button and R and write Excel here and click open. It will open up the Excel program for us. So right now we don't have anything. We can create a blank workbook. So let's open a blank workbook here. As you can see here, previously we saw here we can add sheets from here. Right now here we have sheets. We have the rows, and we have the columns here, the column A, column B, column C, column D, and we have the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is the basic blank workbook that we created, and we have the ribbons here. So in this video, in this tutorial, we are using the Office 2019. As you can see, when you click here, in the all commands and buttons will show up here, that each one of these commands do something on our data. So this is the ribbon, and we have these tabs here, and each of the commands are gathered together by their commonalities. For example, we have the home here, we have the common commands here, we have the insert to add a chart, a picture, a diagram, all the thing that can be inserted is placed here. And we can start writing here for Ali, and this here we write SH here, and as you can see, each of these structure is called a cell. When we click, the name box will contain the selected cell. We have the cells here, we have the formula bar here, the name box here, and we have the zoom button here. As you can see, when I click here, it will zoom in out for me, or I can use the Excel sheet. So we have the zoom views here, we have the normal view here, we have the grid view here, and we have the page break view here. we can switch between these views. Also, we can also switch between the sheets, so each sheet has its own data.